In the grand scheme of things, Zimbabwe's political journey began to take a dramatic turn in August of 2023. The elections saw President Emmerson Mnangagwa clinch his second term in office, with a majority of 52.6% of the votes. However, Nelson Chamisa, the main opposition leader, vehemently disputed the results. Allegations of blatant and gigantic fraud echoed through the political corridors as Chamisa challenged the hastily assembled results, which he claimed lacked proper verification. The situation intensified as international observers reported an environment of voter intimidation. Accusations of biased media coverage and the banning of opposition rallies further marred the electoral process. Despite these criticisms, President Mnangagwa defended the transparency and fairness of the elections, labeling Zimbabwe as a mature democracy. Fast forward to 2024, and the echoes of Zimbabwe's disputed elections are heard across the Southern African Development Community, or SADC. The Democratic Republic of the Congo's flawed elections served as a reminder of the need for transparent and fair elections in all SADC member states to ensure stability and progress in the region. In summary, Zimbabwe's current political situation is a result of a series of events, starting with a controversial election in 2023. Despite winning a second term, President Mnangagwa's victory was overshadowed by allegations of fraud, voter intimidation, and biased media coverage. Today, these issues resonate across the SADC region, emphasizing the need for fair and transparent elections to uphold democracy. This journey through Zimbabwe's political timeline offers a glimpse into the complexities of the nation's political landscape. It is a testament to the importance of fair and transparent elections, not just in Zimbabwe, but across the entire African continent.